Hi, you two. Happy Monday. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. I am here. I'm back to do your Fast Five videos this week. It's Monday. Your new work pack for the next 2 weeks will have either been delivered already or it will be on its way to you today. And there's lots of different things to get you busy at home. Some things that we're expecting you to do, some things are a bit extra, but it's something that should keep you nice and busy. Right, on to Fast Five. So same as normal, I'll read you the questions and then I'll give you time to do the answers. So just like last week, we had the same style of questions the whole week. We're going to have the same style of questions the whole week this week, but the numbers will be different. So number one, something add 15 is 20. Number two, 43 add 25 is what? Number three, 67 subtract 24. Number four, 10 times 2 is something. Number five, 5 add 6 add 5. And the challenge, 5 times 4 is the same as something add 10. So you are going to pause the video and work out your answers. So pause the video now. Okay, we are going to go through the answers. So last week we were on our number bonds to 10. Hopefully we all know them now. If you don't, you could be using Numbots to help you. Or if you need extra practice, then I can send some extra bits to your parents via email. This week we're doing our number bonds to 20, so we can use our number bonds to 10 to help us. So something add 15 is 20. We know 15 is made up of 10 and 5. And we know that 5 add 5 is 10. So we can also know that 5 add 15 is 20 because it's 5 add 5 and then add that add the 10. Number two, 43 add 25. So I would do 43 add 5, which is 48. And then I'd add on my tens, which is 20, 2 tens, 48 add 2 tens, 4 tens add 2 tens is 6 tens, 68. You could have done 40 and 20 and then 3 and 5. You could have done 43 and 20 and then the 5 is up to you. But the important thing is you do most of it in your head. You might need to write down some jottings to help you. Like you might want to write down 40 add 20 equals 60. 3 add 5 equals 8 and then put them together just so you remember them. But you are doing as much of it in your head as possible. Number three, something is the same as 67 subtract 24. So quite often people get confused and say that the equal sign is on the wrong side of the question, but it's actually not. All the equal sign means is that that side is the same as that side. It doesn't mean that it's the end of a question. So we need to get used to seeing it at the front. So 67 subtract 24. If I do 67 subtract 4, is 63, and then take away the 20 is 43. You could have used number 2 to help you with that because we know that number 2's answer was 68 and we had 25 was one of our parts, so you could have used that to help you if you had seen it. Right, number 4, 10 times 2, which now are 10 times tables. We know how to work them out. 10 times 2 is 20. Number 5, 5 add 6 add 5. So do you remember when we were doing these in class and we were adding the 3 numbers and we were trying to spot pairs of numbers that would help us? So if you can see, there's 5 and 5 in this, and we know our number bonds because we're super smart. And 5 add 5 is 10, and then we've got the 6 left, so 10 add 6 is 16. So if you spotted the 5 add 5, well done. And the challenge question, 5 times 4 is the same as something add 10. We need to balance those two sides. So whatever 5 times 4 is, something add 10 is going to be the same. 5 times 4 is 20. So what add 10 is going to equal 20? 10 add 10. I hope you enjoyed your Fast Five. I hope you are having a nice day, and I'll be back tomorrow.